Yeah, unboxing day. Oh, another Yeezys lah. Yo, what's up guys? We are Jets.
I'm Jets Don.
I'm Jets Alex. So we are the channel who talk about sneakers, unboxing, fashions, streetwear, music, yeah, all of that. So if you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Yeah.
Intro.
Yo,
So,
another day with another Yeezys.
Yeezys is very
Yeezys.
rare we unbox Yeezys.
But this time it's the second pair of the Yeezy we unboxing.
Yes,
So what we have today?
you can see here is 700.
So it's the Yeezy Boost 700.
Yes.
Is it the Wave Runner?
No lah.
No.
No.
Okay. So
That's one was OG leh.
okay. So let's see what we have today. Oh, this one is the what? Intertia. Intertia.
But some people say Intertia.
Intertia.
Anything you wanna call. Okay.
Anything like you like it lah.
Anything
if
you like
Malaysia style they call it Intertia.
Intertia.
If I mean like the US they read it is like Intertia. Intertia.
鸡仔啦
Let's see the box lah, yo.
Yeah.
Wait, actually this one is my size, you know, US 11. Oh my god. Nice. So anything inside special?
Receipt.
Inside the box.
Receipt is very important when you buy legit pack.
This one don't have receipt. Yeah, this one don't have. It's okay lah.
Okay lah. But
Okay, so put aside first. So this one is the sizing of the shoe. In front, they have the 700. So here there's a little bit different. Normally they have this
350, then
Yeah.
Kanye West.
Yeah.
Top
Let's
box.
compare with another box. Okay, this is the box.
This is 350 man.
This one is 350. This one is a 350 box, and then this one is a 700 box. It's a bit different, but original look like
But
this
this one the logo is the original logo. This one is the performance logo.
Yeah. So that's the difference of it.
A bit only, a bit.
Yeah, a bit different only. But I don't know why lah. Why they are from this logo? So
Okay.
there's nothing more different.
Put it aside.
Okay, let's take a look at the shoe.
Hui. Actually, this pair lah, when I first received this pair, when I unboxed it, the color is a bit amazed me.
Amazed?
Yes, a bit amazed because we saw it online. The color is a bit like just a normal grey, nothing much.
Yeah, it's a
But
very grey shoe
If
that
you
I
have
don't like it.
yeah, if you have it in hand, then you will know. Serious,
Yeah, that's
serious. I'm amazed.
Yeah. So any story for this shoe?
The story is there's not much story about this, but there's a short relate of this pair. They released this pair when Kanye West is doing the Sunday service. Remember, we saw that video when Kanye is doing the music,
Yeah.
the piano.
Yeah. Okay.
That one.
He was wearing this.
Not wearing this. I'm not sure, but this thing released at the same period at that
At the time, is it?
time. Yes.
Okay. So, speaking of the quality of the shoe, the material.
Take another pair lah. Same lah.
Actually, one pair now.
Okay.
Okay. So, yeah, speaking of the quality of the shoe, sweet is the thing, and a lot of grey color, different silhouette type of grey.
It got leather.
Yeah, this leather.
What leather? I thought Yeezy won't put leather.
No, I'm not sure because I never saw the 700 Wave Runner yet until now. So yeah, and they have 3M
Yes.
here. These two sides and the back.
But actually, this color is a bit girlish. Can you say girlish? No.
No, you can't say it's girlish in this colorway grey because you know why? There's another brand, the NB New Balance. They like to use grey color also. You know the New Balance grey color.
Yeah, grey. They release a grey series, right?
Yeah. So actually, when the first impression when I saw this release things for this shoe, so I was thinking about it. It's like, okay, New Balance have the grey one and they want to have the grey also. Yeah. So quality wise, I think it's okay.
Good.
You know, they have the blue suede in the front, light blue suede.
Yes.
And then
even the shape of the shoe is like very nice.
Yeah.
But it's amazing that inside they also have boost.
Yeah, they have boost on the inside.
Boost
under the sole.
But the outsole color is off-white color. This is the best. This is the thing that makes this shoe different.
Yeah.
Right?
You can see the contrast.
Yeah, here and this 2 dot.
Yeah. Because they are the contrast.
Yes, this is the best thing.
And the orange.
Actually, I will consider this pair if the retail price is cheaper.
If I can get this pair for free, of course I will get it.
Oh, one free shoe.
Okay, so continue to the material of the shoe. So they have this light blue suede in the front, and then grey suede in the side, and then leather here, shoelace as usual, and the 3M on these 2 little dot here.
Here also, this one also
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, this one also
3M.
Yes, this is 3M.
Oh, okay.
And this is 3M.
3M.
And the back.
3M.
And the back here. Inside, you
Oh,
see the small dot, right? Actually,
yeah.
they are all 3M.
Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, no much special. All this color, you know.
So about the retail price of this shoe, it's very high. 1,004 ringgit. Retail. But the resale for this is not as high as expected. Compared to OG Wave Runner is
OG of course.
OG is around 2001. This one only 1,006, 1,007.
Okay lah. I mean like never higher. We're still in the Yeezy kind of price.
No. Even though you see they release one color like the Mauve. MAUVE, that one, the brown color one. You can see here. This one, the price is very low. Now people only selling 980.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I should get it.
Go lah.
Yeah, it's above retail a bit.
No, below retail.
Below retail?
Retail 1,004, then 1,900.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
definitely I will get it because
yes.
I keep on thinking of getting a pair of 700. It's not because of the color of the like the OG one, because I quite like the OG one. I mean like I love that a lot.
That one is like considered is totally the best dad shoe they ever created.
The best dad shoe I ever seen.
Created by Kanye West.
Yeah.
The best ever.
The best colorway.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think probably we'll get some 700. Yeah. So overall, how will you
rate?
Yeah, rate the shoe.
Consider last episode last week, right? Last week I rate 6.5, right? For 350.
Okay.
This one nothing much better. I rate 6 only.
6
because of the retail price. Too damn high.
Too damn high. Oh yeah, there's another 3M reflective inside here. I forget to mention.
What, man?
You can see there's a 3 stripe inside. Do you know? You
oh!
See it? That's also a 3M reflective. You know?
Okay.
Maybe I will give you see the picture here, so you will know.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will rate this shoe because you know I'm really a Yeezy fan. So higher than you a bit, maybe a 7.
7. Why?
Yeah, because the color.
Yeah,
the grey.
If
I
the
think
OG?
it's too much. Or OG is definitely like 10 already for me.
OG I rate 8.
OG totally 10.
10.
Like
10
high score.
First time ever you rate 10 eh?
Yes, high score.
Serious
I was always like dreaming and thinking to getting the pair.
Yeezy you rate 10
Yeah.
Okay.
Easy. My thing. Okay?
Okay.
So If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just click the subscribe button. So if you want to see our video every week, then just click the notification button so you can see our video.
Share to your Akong, Ama, Uncle, 7, don't know who the friend is here.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you guys next week.
Bye bye.
Bye.